This is Ryokan Kurashiki in Kurashiki in Okayama Prefecture in Japan. And there's a pretty garden. And we are staying in a room here called Inui. And so let's take a look. So I know there's a lot of cities that consider themselves the Venice of somewhere. Venice of China, Venice of this or that. Kurashiki is considered the Venice of Japan, or at least they proclaim themselves to be that. Anyways, it's a pretty city. It's authentic. It's and historic. Definitely worth visiting. So we just arrived at Ryokan Kurashiki. Only 8 total rooms. This was actually used. This was recently became a room. It used to be used as more of a function room, or at least a small one. But they converted it into a guest room about 4 years ago. So anyways, we're going up the stairs. And to the right is the guest room. So kind of a modern Japanese style, I guess, kind of in a Zen way, but with Western amenities. So you have a bed, very artistic. You have a couch. You have a sitting area. And the room overlooks the canal in Kurashiki with the famous bridge. See if there's a different view from up here. Nope, it's pretty much the same. So anyways, this is the room. It's a open style. I think it's 70 square meters. And then as you come across the hallway is the sink and the bathroom. A little bit disappointing for a ryokan of this caliber that it's not dual. They don't have dual wash basins. It's a little surprising. And then over here is the bath and the shower. The bath is not onsen hot springs, so if that's important to you, Kurashiki will not fit your bill. In fact, I don't think Kurashiki, the area, is an onsen area, so you'd be hard pressed to find a hotel or ryokan that offers onsen bath if you choose to stay in Kurashiki. Anyway, so that does it. There's only 8 rooms. It's really hard to get a reservation as a result, and can't share our stay experience yet because we just checked in, but just wanted to give a sense of the living quarters that we chose. This is not the top category room. And we booked about 3 months before we got here. So if you want the best rooms, and are willing to pay for it, you're probably going to want to think about booking 6 months to a year in advance. Anyways, Ryokan Kurashiki.